you get this alpha-gal allergy. It is strictly through the bite of a tick. We know for sure the Lone Star tick. There's a couple of other ticks that may have this in their saliva. The research is ongoing. So as far as we know, the Lone Star tick, maybe one or two others, they have to bite you. That's the only way that we know of for this allergy to be triggered. So prevention is always your best bet. As always, anytime you're outside, you want to do anything you can to avoid getting a tick bite. Not just because of this allergy, but also because they carry Lyme disease, the Borrelia bacteria, Rocky Mountain spotted fever, bourbon fever. There's a growing list of tick-borne diseases. They used to be isolated to a single region. We're seeing them all over the place. Babesia or Lichia, it's a huge issue for a lot of people, and there's not a lot of treatment options with Western medicine, maybe some antibiotics to try to get the worst of the infection under control. We're still learning so much about all the co-infections that can come along with each of these tick-borne diseases. So best bet, try to avoid getting bit. Always use a good repellent. Be sure you're tucking your pant legs into your socks, you're buttoning all the way up to the collar. Making sure that you're using repellent around any access points on the clothing. I am typically as natural a person as I can get, but in the case of trying to avoid a tick bite, if it's using a heavier duty bug spray that's going to keep them from biting you, or the risk of a tick infection that can become a long-standing chronic disease, I'm going to take the risk of the bug spray personally, but I also have dealt with both an acute and chronic Lyme infection, and I can tell you it's no fun, and it's months to years to fully get your life back, and it takes a lot of work with nutrition and acupuncture and herbs and homeopathy and even some Western medicine in some cases to take your life back. So keep the bugs off you, especially the ticks. And if there's any questions or comments, please post them below. We'll do our best to answer them. If there's a subject that you would like us to feature, post in the comments. And we always have more information on our website at www.rajawellness.com. And we'll look forward to talking to you soon.